Prepare to be amazed by a spectacular showcase of cutting-edge gadgets, all ready to elevate your tech game. Stay tuned and make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for a thrilling journey into the world of innovation. Experience the extraordinary with this compact yet powerful gadget that brings top-notch audio quality to your fingertips. Its innovative intelligent gain assist technology guarantees impeccable sound levels without any effort on your part. Equipped with high-quality microphones in both the transmitter and receiver, this device offers seamless usability across various cameras and smartphones. Whether you are conducting interviews, delivering presentations, or working on filmmaking projects, this versatile microphone system has you covered. The Pickaso Guitar Bow is a game-changing accessory for acoustic guitarists. It lets you produce the captivating sound of bowed strings, offering a fresh approach to playing. With dual-sided hair, you can play one or two strings at once without any attachments or batteries. It's portable and works with regular guitar strings, sparking new creative possibilities for your music. Introducing the Huawei WatchPods, a fusion of smartwatch and wireless earpods. This innovative device boasts a sleek stainless steel casing and a 1.43-inch AMOLED display with an always-on feature. The included compact earpods, featuring active noise cancellation, attach magnetically to the watch for space-saving solution. Enjoy premium design, sound quality, and convenience all in one gadget. Introducing the ultimate game changer, the world's first digital game board that seamlessly integrates physical game pieces and offers access to a multitude of games. This innovative device bridges the gap between digital and physical gaming realms, providing real-time interactions, global remote play, and enhanced audio communication. With a wide game selection, including classics like chess and checkers, along with modern favorites, this game board comes with a 1-year subscription for an unparalleled gaming experience. Say goodbye to static webcams. With the Acoustics CAE Essential Webcam Flex, this innovative webcam is all about versatility, featuring an adjustable arm and swiveling camera module that allows you to position it precisely how you want. Its stable base has a rubberized lining for monitor placement and can even be attached to a tripod. With convenient onboard controls for zooming, rotation, and focus, this webcam offers an enhanced level of customization for your video conferencing and streaming needs. Tired of dealing with short charging cables that never reach where you need them to? Say goodbye to that frustration with our versatile cable set. This innovative collection allows you to choose the perfect cable length for any situation. Mix and match various cable sizes to create the ideal fit for your needs. Need a compact 4-inch cord for quick on-the-go charging? No problem! These cables are not just practical, they are also great to fidget with, making them a must-have addition to your tech accessories. Introducing the ASUS Zenbook Pro 16X OLED laptop, a collaboration between ASUS and Intel that's truly exceptional. This laptop features an Intel processor and an innovative Supernova system on module design, reducing the motherboard core area for improved cooling efficiency. With liquid metal thermal compound, temperatures drop by 7 degrees Celsius in high-performance mode. The touchpad and dial have been expanded for easier tasks like editing, while the lifting keyboard enhances typing comfort. This laptop redefines performance and design. Introducing Eigen Fitness wearables, a game changer for serious weightlifters. Designed for those who are passionate about their gains, these wearables provide invaluable insights. Whether you are into heavy squats or rigorous weightlifting, Eigen Fitness is your ultimate companion. It guides you on the right weight intensity, resistance, and form. These wearables like having a personal trainer on your wrist, ensuring you make the most of every lift. Introducing Udelv, the revolutionary autonomous delivery AV. It's a groundbreaking electric vehicle designed for efficient last and middle mile deliveries. The best part? It's completely driverless. Picture a small robotic assistant that brings your packages directly to your doorstep. Say goodbye to waiting for deliveries. Udelv ensures your online shopping arrives in record time. Introducing RocketBody, your AI-powered fitness trainer and nutritionist. If you are looking for a non-judgmental personal trainer who understands your love for that third slice of pizza, then this tech is for you. RocketBody is a game changer, offering an AI-driven fitness and nutrition guide right at your fingertips. It utilizes cutting-edge algorithms and machine learning to monitor your progress, propose suitable workouts, and provide suggestions for wholesome meals. Tired of lugging your suitcase around the airport like a weary traveler? Say hello to Rover Speed, the AI-powered robotic suitcase that elevates your travel experience to a whole new level. This ingenious companion will tail you effortlessly, skillfully navigating obstacles like a pro. Imagine having a loyal companion that also doubles as your personal clothing carrier. Rover Speed is a standout solution that ensures you won't misplace it amidst the hustle and bustle of your journey.